Hello, folks. We're doing an old home inspection down here in the city. This home is well over 100 or some years old. But what I wanted to share with you is we're in the cave state of Missouri in this particular inspection. And we have a lot of problems with our with the caves and things like that, and our floors falling, sinkholes. Missouri's a big sinkhole area anyway, and the caves have a lot to do with it. But I wanted to share with you this, is that you see how my floor, and there's no electricity in this old building, but what I'm trying to share with you is how this caved in. See how this is dropping? It's dropping over a foot. And you can see how it's going across here. It's all dropping, but look inside of here. You can see just how far, and you can see it up underneath there. I mean, animals are living up underneath there right now. And this is very common. So what happens is in this particular case, I don't believe it is the cave problem. And that's what they've kind of asked me to look at, is that this house is sitting up high, like all the old houses. These old basements are hand dug. The people used to dig them out by hand. And of course the floors were always after a long time, a lot of times after this, they was all dirt floors a lot of times in these days. And then they come back when they got a little more money and poured the floor. But what happens is that, and the reason I say that is because what happens is when they come back in here and we get water and they freezing and thawing, and a cold winter gets up underneath there and starts freezing up. And then I get and when it freezes and thaws, that cracks my foundation. I get droppage, my concrete floor droppage. I also got some water issues coming from the outside now. And then I'm getting washout. So I get a combination of things. Floors are never structural. They're normally, and I can't say never, but normally never structural. And this one is absolutely not. But anyway, this is just not something I thought you would be interested in seeing. And I just love these old buildings. Make sure that your floor is safe and you don't have any problems. Give us a call, Galloway Building Services. Love to help you too. Thank you, folks. Hey, tell your friends about us. Hit like and subscribe. It'll help us a lot. And help your friends to learn about us too. All right, thank you, folks.